Indian forces have intensified their crackdown in occupied Kashmir, arresting over 150 innocent Kashmiris in the Ganderbal district alone. The forces' personnel confiscated the valuables including mobile phones, laptops and documents under the pretext of a recent attack on the labourers, which the local eyewitnesses attribute to the Indian Army's Rashtriya rifles. The troops also launched a cordon and search operation in the Wanigam area of the Pattan in the Baramulla district. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has called upon the Kashmiris to observe October 27th as a black day to convey a message to the world that they reject the India's illegal military occupation of their motherland. Call for the observance of the day has been given by the illegally detained APHC General Secretary Moulvi Bashir Irfani in a message from the jail. On 27th October in 1947, India, in violation of the partition plan and against the Kashmiris' aspirations, landed its troops in occupied Kashmir, marking the beginning of New Delhi's brutal occupation of the territory. Top leaders of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference met at Mirwais Umar Farooq's Srinagar residence for the first time since India repealed Article 370 in August 2019. The attendees included Mirwais Umar Farooq, Professor Abdul Ghani Bhatt, Masroor Abbas Ansari and others. The Hurriyat meeting deplored the absence of the detained colleagues, reiterating the leaders' resolve amidst the territory's turbulent political landscape marked by the violence, raids and arrest in occupied Kashmir.